So over here, you can see that I have an image right here with the bike flying over here in the air. So let's say I just want to go ahead and remove off this bike and person altogether. So if you want to remove a chunk like this, you can utilize something called a patch tool. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the pixel tab, and over here you can go ahead and then click and hold on the inpainting brush tool, and here you can see that patch tool is an option. Once you go ahead and do that, you can simply draw around the object that you want to remove right here. And once you do that, you can see that that is selected, and you can move your mouse wherever you want. And you can go ahead and take, let's say, for example, a clean area as a reference. If you were to go ahead and go down, you can see that it'll actually take the mountains as reference. That is not what I want. So I'm just going to go around and click right here, and this is what you have. You can also go ahead and resize this out as well, just like this. And that is simply how you can go ahead and change around the patch. Let me just go ahead and press Ctrl Z right here. You can see that you can see selection as a source as well. If you were to select this, you can go ahead and now, instead of let's say removing, you can add in more bikes right here, just like this, as selection is source. So you're just copying it out, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you can simply take out texture only without any color, so you can have a black and white version, as you can see right here, just like this. And it'll simply go ahead and only paste out the texture if you were to do so right here. You can make it transparent as well, just like this, so that you get the transparent option right here. So right now it is taking from the current layer only. If you have multiple layers, you also have an option to take sample from current and the layers below it as well. You can even go ahead right here, rotate it out, as you can see, and you can scale it out as you want right here, just like this as well. And that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the patch tool. So you can go ahead and click. Let me just remove the source, and you can see that now I can use other area right here. I can change around the scale right here, just like this, so that more area is taken as reference and so forth. And that is basically how you can utilize the patch tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.